Look there, there's we are. Well, today we're heading up to what? Finley to get some stuff done.
Yes.
Yeah, we gotta.
Yeah.
We're gonna stop on the way there and meet with a legal beagle. We're gonna talk with an attorney at Mom's estate, and we've discovered Dad's estate taken care of. So we got a twofer going on.
Yeah. Kind of get some direction.
Get some directions. That's right.
Yeah.
Because I'm
Guidance.
runnerless at the moment,
Yeah.
and then we'll head up to we're gonna spend the weekend up in Finley. And if you can't tell, got the camper with us, so we'll take that. We're gonna stay at Van Buren State Park. We were thinking about wanting to camp there anyways. We are gonna think of camping there, visiting with Mom and stuff. Well, Mom punched the easy button on us, so we don't have to worry about visiting with her. We were wondering about the campground, and some YouTubers we watched, they stayed there and pretty much said, okay, not too bad. We can, it meets our minimum requirements, no problem. Electricity, that's all we need.
Yeah.
Yep. Gotta take care of that beautiful crown over here anyways. No. All right, so.
And we get to visit with my dad a little bit.
Yeah, Dad's talking about coming out.
He lives nearby, and
So this is kind of a two thing going here.
Mhm.
This is for the vlog of dealing with Mom and Dad's estate, and also
the
maybe,
gray life.
yeah,
What?
the gray life.
Just
Yeah, it's all part of the gray life.
Yeah. just all of it.
So, anyways, I'm not sure how I'll get this one done. But we're off to right now. The main thing is get to the lawyer, so get that taken care of, and then figure out what we're ready from there. I can poke at her too. It's okay.
Yeah, but you're driving,
Yeah.
so keep your hands on the wheel.
Yeah, I got it. Keep your hands on the wheel. So, all right. I like this new mount. I got my GoPro on a GoPro swivel mount, so I was able to just spin it around, and we can yip yap, and then I can spin it back around, and you can look at the road.
Yes.
Not us.
Yeah.
So yeah, all right. Enough of my ugly mug. All right, let's get this thing spun around.
Again, while he's driving.
Again, while he's driving. Hey, it's a straight section of road.
I know, this is true.
I got one paw on the wheel. So,
Okay.
and did I swerve anyone? Leave comments below how I did during that camera maneuver. All right.
This makes me nervous.
It makes her nervous. Yeah. I need one more GoPro. So maybe someday I get me that 10 that just came out. Ooh. Then I get 2 GoPros in here, one on us, because I already got 2 running, so that makes 3 GoPros needed.
Oh, that sounds like you.
Yeah, that sounds like me. All right.
Mm-mm. All that tech.
Yep, all that tech. All right.
All right, we ready?
All right.
Let's be ready to go.
Okay, so anyways, I guess I can get some air going in here first. All right, so we met with our attorney, so that's done now. So gave me,
Getting things going.
we got 3 phases we're in now. So we're in phase 1, which is filing, and then
Being the official executor.
yeah, get things set up and going. Then I guess the next phase is an inventory. They go through an inventory of the estate, and then the final phase is the accounting, where I guess they account all the debts owed, this, that, and everything else, and then everything gets split out. So, and so that's where we're at on this. So we're moving along. So got the attorney done. So that started, and there's so much. There's so much.
There is. There's a lot.
There's so much. I have to have
You don't realize.
yeah, like for the bank, I have to go to the bank and I have to have a paper from the
Yeah.
court saying
Yeah.
that I'm, what would he say that?
Executor.
Was it, that's that?
Mhm.
Okay.
To show that you can,
Yeah.
that you're legal.
So I gotta get my papers.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm gonna get papers. Anyways, so that's where it goes. So next stop here today, we're gonna head to on up to Findlay. We gotta go to the funeral home. Mom's death certificates are there, so we're gonna pick those up next, and then we'll head to the campground. And then I don't know if that'll be in this video or not, because this is part of the vlog for all that stuff. But anyways, we're gonna go spend the night at the campground up there while we're working on Mom's house and stuff. So that's it for now. We're out of here. Oh, that's me reaching forward to stop the camera. I guess I could just say GoPro stop. We at the funeral home got our death certificates. They were kind enough to also give us the bonus of the bill. That was so nice of them. That was included extra, no charge, giving us the bill. Anyways, so we got Mom's death certificate, so we can get all that taken care of. So off to the campground and probably quick setup, and then get into the house. Okay, I've been talking for the last 5 minutes, and all I ended up doing is taking a single picture because I had the camera in photo mode and not video mode. You know, the little blinky red light tells you you're recording. You know, that would help. Anyways, so today, right now, for today's goal, we lawyer got the death certificates for Mom. We're gonna do up a few dishes here. I'm cleaning some of Mom's stuff to help her with in the bathroom and stuff. I'm getting all that equipment out of there, and we'll be moving on. So it's an interesting process, which is not fun to go through, is it? No. We both vote. We don't like it. So, and then all the memories start swirling.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, continuing on with this trip, I'm going through these drawers, and somebody is supposed to be in there cleaning.
And she is.
And she is at the moment, but she was out here earlier, and I seriously squirreled her. We found Grandma's brag book, which has all kinds of little pictures and things. So when anything comes up with photos, Pearl stops dead in her tracks and wants to look because we found a bunch of old pictures. So of course, I'll give you one guess who had to stop what she was doing and come and look at these. So going through right now, I'm just going through gathering up all papers, financial stuff, anything like that, so we can get an idea of I'll just gather it all up. I'm gonna gather it, box it, and then we got it on hand to go through later. Did find for that thing, the stair lift, found the manual for it and who they got it from. So I'm hoping give them a call at some point and see what we can do with this thing, because I have no idea what to do with a stair lift. I can get it out, but just don't want to throw it away. I'm sure somebody could use it, or I don't know if they still have a used market or whatever. So anyways.
Why don't you call 50 North? That's where.
Yeah, we'll do that too.
Yeah.
But again, same thing. Oh wow, nice flicker on the screen. Anyways, so continuing on here. So, all right, I filled up one trash bag, getting ready to start on this cupboard here, just going through stuff, but it's awfully quiet. I haven't heard anything in a little while. Uh-oh. I think somebody's gotten squirreled. What'd you find?
An old photo album.
Yeah, Pearl found a pile of photo albums. Yeah, she's not getting much work done now. No. You get Pearl near pictures and she comes to, okay, hold on.
You lose me.
There, hold on. There's me some pictures. There's me.
18 there, right? You're 18?
Yeah.
Or 19?
There's, come home and leave. Mom and Dad, look at me there.
That's what I'm supposed to say.
Oh, that's what you're supposed to say. Oh, okay. There we go. What do you think? Here's my old barracks where I used to live. Anyways, all right. Pearl's, yeah, bad photo albums. bad pearl. There, look, there she goes grabbing. And of course, she just can't stop with one, so she's going in looking for more.
Oh, well, look at us.
Yeah, there she goes. All right, back to work, maybe. Not getting a lot done at the moment, it looks like. I was working on this drawer, and now I have help. I think I said something to her, and then she came
Yeah,
over.
you said something.
I said something to her, and now I got help. So we're going to... What?
Giving me a hard time.
Yeah, I am. No, I wouldn't do that, would I? Okay. Found a packet of pictures.
Like, isn't this
Pearls all over it. It's pictures of buildings.
we think your dad
And
used?
what he does, what my dad would do with these pictures, he'd take these pictures and he would make,
Oh, that was St. Mike's Church.
yeah, he would make these
Yeah.
for his trains.
Yeah, he would use these pictures.
He'd take these pictures of these buildings. It looks like this was something he was getting ready to make. And then he would take these pictures and he would end up making these buildings.
I would hold on to these, Jim.
All right.
See if
I'll
Perry
put it in
would
the box.
If Perry would. I
Well,
would
we'll just leave it in the drawer.
Yeah, I just leave it in the drawer here.
All right, I started this.
Okay.
All right, so we went through this. Some pictures in there. There's a bunch of bric-a-brac down there. It's coming up on noon. We're hungry. We're gonna go to the Baker's Cafe, which is a place Mom liked to go through. They were friends. They were friends of my mom and dad. So,
To be their neighbors.
yep, used to be the neighbors across the street. So we're gonna go there for lunch. And all right, lunch is over. We're back at work. We're getting ready to head up to my dad's room and go through papers there. Pearl's been up a load of laundry here. We got some stuff in the dryer. We're gonna be able to do this washing this time because we got just a couple hours left before we're out of here. And we're gonna take Sunday off for ourselves. There was stuff we wanted to do Sunday, so. All right. In my pop's room. It's warm in here. All right, so that's what I wanted to get into. So, look at all those movies and stuff. Is that Rawhide?
Where?
Anyways. All right, so we'll bore you with the fun of the papers, but we'll go through my dad's office area here. We went through Dad's desk and got 2 bags of I don't know what they were hanging on to, but got 2 bags of that out here. Got some stuff to put in the box with all the other papers. Pearl keeps getting squirreled. Little bit. All right, so I'm gonna take this downstairs, and then we got a little bit of time left, and we're gonna go to Mom's room, see what kind of papers she's got hiding in there. We're on the last thing for today. We're gonna empty out the fridge. It's almost done. And get it. I'll leave it on. Probably shouldn't leave it on, right? I just turned it down.
If you don't,
Yeah.
it'll grow.
Yeah. I'll turn the temperature. So it was almost at coldest, so I just got it so it's not quite as cold, so it won't run as much. All right, so there's that, and then still got, yeah, we got the freezer. Oh my goodness. That all ain't gonna fit, but a lot of this is like canned foods.
Maybe we can just do the freezer next time.
Okay, then turn that,
But we could maybe take this out though.
yeah, get that.
And I'll get your dad's spaghetti sauce next time.
I'll return this back to its normal setting here. Okay, we'll get the freezer next time. Or,
I guess.
I don't know, maybe we can root through it and see what needs to be thrown out in there.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, the fun. So we'll hop off that and continue digging through that fridge. I'm sure y'all don't want to watch that. So today we wrapped up camp. We had to take the death certificate to the lawyer. So they had to have an original copy, so we had to stop in Bluffton. So now we're heading on home. So that's kind of wrapped up this
This trip.
this time of taking care of mom's stuff. This is Monday, so we
Just getting started.
we just went camping and stuff over the weekend, and those will be separate videos. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.